but she kept waiting endlessly. Perhaps he slowly drifted far away while she still dreamed of what could be. He never called her on the phone at night, but she kept writing every line. Inside her dreams he always would arrive, and she would fly beyond the sky. Every night she held the silence close, listening to footsteps in the cold. Like beads and silver embroidery, a picture sewn so carefully. A branch of lilac in the rain, once purple flowers, now washed away. She stitched and cried so silently, so softly no one else could see. The lilac once was bright and warm, but tears had stolen all its form. Lilac in the rain, washed away. Evening slowly covered all the sky. The wind walked softly through the trees, embracing lilacs near the little house, while she stared out so silently. Then someone gently knocked upon the door. She opened slowly, full of fear, and standing there beneath the fading light was the one she loved through all the years. In her hands the thread was white as snow, and her lonely heart began to glow. With silk and fragile silver thread, a picture full of love was made. A branch of lilac, pure and white, glowing softly in the night. She stitched while quietly humming low, a tender song nobody knows. And with a gentle, peaceful smile, she rocked the cradle all the while. Soft and white, through the night. Lilac flowers in the rain, waiting through the years of pain. Every tear and every sigh still were holding love alive. Hold the light, don't fade away. He never spoke with pretty words at all, nor brought her flowers in the dawn. But he was loving only her alone, and no one else. Beneath the sun, beneath the sun. With silk and fragile silver thread, her quiet love was always there. love, returning to her now.